Children, in exercise 7.6, now we have to do the subtraction. And you know only 2 word problems we will be doing, rest all are cut. Few parts I have taken from book exercise. So see the first part, A1. In this you have to subtract the proper fraction from the whole number. So what we can do? We can assume the denominator 1. Now the LCM will be LCM of 1 and 9 will be 9. Now this one we have to make 9. We can multiply by 9. And here it is already 9. Now it will be 72 upon 9 minus 5 by 9. Now we can write them together. 72 minus 5 whole by 9. So here you will get 67 by 9. Children, see, this is improper fraction. And now we can change this into mixed. 9 sevens are and 4 is the remainder. This is the answer. Now see the C part. You have to subtract the mixed fraction from the whole number, that is 11. So now change into improper. 11 minus this you can change, you will get 47 by 8. Now again assume here 1. Now the LCM will be of 8 and 1. It will be 8. Now this 1 we need to make it 8. So we can multiply by 8. And this side is already same, 8. So we get 11 8s are 88 by 8 minus 47 by 8. Now we can write together 88 minus 47. So we get 41 by 8. Again this is improper fraction. We can change into mix. 8 5s are 40 and 1 is the remainder. This is the answer. Now see H part. Now you have to do the subtraction of like fraction. Like means the denominators are same. So no need of taking the LCM. Simply we can write together 7 minus 4. We get 3 by 9. Now children, this we can reduce it. 3 1s are and 3 3s are. So the answer is 1 by 3. Now see the J part. This you have to do the subtraction of unlike fractions. Both are unlike fractions. So here we need to get the LCM. LCM of 7 and 14. So what we get? 14. Now this is already 14. Now this we need to make. So this is 7. So we need to multiply by 2. So what we get? 9 by 14 minus 4 by 14. Now we can write together 14, 9 minus 4. We get 5 by 14. This is proper fraction. We can't change into mix. So this is the final answer. Now children, see the M part. In this we have to do the subtraction of mixed and mixed fraction. So change into improper. So here you will get 112 by 9 and here you will get 43 by 12. Children, the first step is to make the denominator same. So we need to find the LCM. LCM of 9 and 12. You will get 36. You know how to find the LCM. Now this 9 we have to make 36 and this 12 also we have to make 36. So what we can do? Multiply by 4 and here we can multiply by 3. So what we will get by multiplying by 4? 448 divided by 36 and 129 divided by 36. Now togetherly we can write 448 minus 129. What we will get? 319 by 36. Now children, see, this is improper fraction. Change into mix. So you will get 36 whole, quotient will be 8 and the remainder will be 31. For dividing you can do in rough. Children, now the last part, one more question I am explaining. In this you have to do simplification, addition as well as subtraction. Don't forget the BODMAS rule. We will always do by BODMAS. First change into improper fraction. It will be 102 by 12. It will be 16 by 9 minus 129 by 18. Now The next step is to make the denominator same by LCM. LCM of 12, 9 and 18. You will get 36. Now 102 by 12. This denominator you have to make 36. We can multiply by 3. If you are getting confused, you can put brackets. Now don't change the sign. It will be addition. 16 by 9. Here you multiply by 4. Put a bracket, then minus 129 by 18. 18 twos are 36. Now by multiplying it by 3, you will get 327 by 36 plus 64 by 36 minus 258 by 36. Now altogether we can write 327 plus 64 minus 258. 36. You know what is BODMAS? What we will do first? Addition or subtraction? We will do first addition. So when you just add 327 plus 64, you will get 391 and minus 258. Denominator 36. So you will get 133 by 36. Now again it is improper. You can change into mixed. When you will divide, you will get 3 quotient and 25 remainder. This is your answer. Now let's see the word problems. If Sohan ate 1/5 of the cake and Mohan ate 1/6 of the cake, who ate a bigger portion of the cake and by how much? Children, if you remember, I explained you when the numerators are same, we can do orally. The smaller one is the greater. So the first part is completed. Who ate bigger portion? But to see how much quantity he ate more, we have to do calculation. Now children, see the solution. First write Sohan ate 1/5 of the cake. Then in next line, Mohan ate 1/6 of the cake. Now we have to see who ate more. So write down here 1/5 and make a box in between. And 1/6. Now find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 6. You will get 30. Now this 5 we need to make it 30. So we will multiply by 6. And here 1/6 to be multiplied by 5. So what we will get? 6 by 30 and 5 by 30. Now it is clear. This side is greater. So we can write, therefore, Sohan ate more cake. The first part is completed. Now for second part, we have to find the difference. Difference is equal to 6 by 30 minus 5 by 30. Write them together. 6 minus 5, we get 1 by 30. So what we can write? Therefore, he ate 1 by 30th part more. So this is your second answer and this was your first answer. Now children, B you will be doing yourself. It's very simple. Rahul has 2/3 of the pizza and Abhay has 1/2, that is half of a pizza. Which of the following statements are true? Simply you find who ate more. When you will do the comparison, you will get the answers of all three. Like first one is Rahul has more pizza, Abhay has more pizza, or both Rahul and Abhay have an equal amount of pizza. I hope 7.6 is clear to you. Now